Meaning of home cinema.
Home cinema.
Home cinema.
Home cinema.
Home cinema. Home cinema refers to a setup in a house that allows for a movie theater-like experience. This typically includes a large screen, high-quality speakers, and comfortable seating. The goal is to create an immersive audio and visual experience that can rival the cinema. Home cinemas can range from simple setups with a basic projector and sound system to elaborate rooms with dedicated acoustics and technology. Ultimately, the purpose of a home cinema is to enjoy movies, TV shows, and other media in the comfort and convenience of one's own home.